Car Clay Bar removes embedded contaminants, restores smooth paint, and improves wax or polish performance. Today's video is about top 5 best car clay bar that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pumbaa Home Car Clay Bar. This advanced clay pad is a fantastic alternative to traditional clay bars for car detailing. The unique clay/polymer blend with its diamond patterned surface removes dirt, contaminants, and debris quickly while leaving the paint incredibly smooth. It works efficiently on paint, glass, and polished metal surfaces, making it a versatile detailing tool for complete vehicle care. One of the best features is its durability and reusability. Unlike regular clay bars that become unusable when dropped, this clay pad can simply be rinsed clean and reused, saving both time and money. The ergonomic foam palm design also provides a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue during longer detailing sessions. It pairs perfectly with clay lubricants, car wash soap, or detail sprays, ensuring smooth gliding without damaging surfaces. The decontamination process is simple and effective, delivering professional quality results with minimal effort. Overall, this clay pad is a reliable, convenient, and cost-effective solution for maintaining a smooth, polished vehicle finish. Now our second product is Wontolf Car Clay Bar. The Wontolf Car Detailing Clay Bar is an excellent product for removing stubborn contaminants and restoring a smooth paint finish. It effectively lifts oxidation, tree sap, overspray, asphalt, and other surface debris that regular washing cannot remove. After use, the paint feels silky smooth and looks cleaner and shinier, making it perfect for preparing the surface before polishing or waxing. The premium quality clay material feels soft, stretchable, and easy to knead without damaging the vehicle's paint. It safely traps contaminants inside the clay while gliding smoothly across the surface. It also works well on glass and chrome surfaces, adding to its versatility. Using the clay bar is simple and beginner-friendly when paired with water or lubricant. The process removes stubborn grime without scratching the finish. With proper care and handling, the clay bar can be reused multiple times, offering excellent value. Overall, this detailing clay bar is a reliable and effective solution for achieving a professional quality smooth finish at home. Our third product is Wontolf Car Clay Bar. The Wontolf Premium Grade Car Clay Bar Kit is an excellent choice for deep cleaning and restoring smoothness to your vehicle's surface. Made from ultrafine fiber and refined clay material, the clay bar safely removes contaminants without scratching the paint. It effectively eliminates oxidation, iron powder, acid rain residue, tree sap, and other stubborn particles that regular washing cannot remove. The 10-pack design is very convenient, with each 50g clay bar perfectly sized for a full car cleaning session. The clay feels soft, flexible, and easy to stretch, allowing smooth movement across paint, glass, chrome, wheels, and even headlights. It leaves the surface noticeably smoother and better prepared for waxing or polishing. Using the clay bar is simple with water or lubricant, making it beginner-friendly while still delivering professional quality results. The included towel is also a helpful bonus for drying and detailing. Overall, this kit offers great value, strong cleaning performance, and a satisfying detailing experience for car enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Now number 4, Cachil Car Clay Bar. This innovative clay towel is a smart upgrade for car detailing, offering an efficient and safe way to remove surface contaminants. The honeycomb textured design helps trap dirt and debris while holding enough lubrication for smooth, controlled movement across the paint. It works in a dual-action way, lifting contaminants while refining the surface, leaving the vehicle noticeably cleaner and glossier. A key highlight is its built-in microfiber edge and polymer core, which reduce direct friction on paint and help protect the surface from scratches. This makes the decontamination process safer compared to traditional methods. The towel is also highly durable and reusable, lasting significantly longer than basic clay towels, which adds great value over time. It performs well on paint, glass, metal, and plastic, making it a versatile tool for full vehicle detailing. When used with proper lubrication and washing technique, it delivers smooth, professional-level results. Overall, it's an effective, long-lasting, and user-friendly solution for maintaining a clean and polished car surface. And our last choice is Mother's Car Clay Bar. The California Gold Clay Bar system is a complete and effective solution for restoring a smooth, clean vehicle surface. It safely removes embedded contaminants such as paint overspray, industrial fallout, brake dust, tree sap, and acid rain residue that regular washing cannot eliminate. After use, the paint feels noticeably slick and looks more refined and polished. This kit goes beyond cleaning by improving the results of waxing and polishing. By creating a fully decontaminated surface, it allows waxes and sealants to bond better, enhancing both gloss and durability. The system includes 380-gram clay bars, a 16 ounces instant detailer lubricant, and a microfiber towel, making it a complete package for detailing needs. It works safely on paint, chrome, glass, and smooth plastics without causing damage when used correctly. Easy to use at home, it delivers professional-grade results and helps prevent long-term surface damage. Overall, this kit is a reliable choice for achieving a showroom-quality finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.